Hey everyone, welcome back to another studio vlog. In this video we will be working on some new stained glass pieces, which I'm super excited about, but we will get to that in a little bit. First, I have an order that I need to make and pack. And I recently got a new label printer, so here are a few clips of unboxing it and testing it out. So now I will get started on making the window cling for an order that I need to ship out. So now we can get started with the stained glass. I designed a new crow piece a few months ago actually, but I just haven't gotten around to starting it until now. I'm pretty much caught up with all the stained glass that I've been working on, and I just finished shipping out probably the last pieces that I'll have available this year. So everything that I'm starting to work on will be in my shop hopefully by the end of January. Anyways, let's get started with placing the pattern onto the glass. And you'll also get to see how I film my short form content for TikTok, and I'm also on Instagram now if you'd like to see more content there. I just use my phone to film, and I use the Moft Invisible Snap tripod stand. And I have used many different tripods, and this is the smallest, most convenient one because you can literally take it with you anywhere. And when it comes to filming, I don't have much space. I only film at my desk, so a small tripod is definitely necessary for me, especially one that allows me to film in more than 30 angles. There are 3 different ways to use the tripod. The floating mode allows you to film from a higher angle. There's stand mode, so you can capture even closer shots. And then vlog mode, where you can use it as a camera stick for B-roll or taking photos. I also just love the look of it. There's a variety of colors to choose from, and at this point it's on my phone pretty much all the time. When I'm working at my desk, I'll just have it displayed by my computer. So even if you don't film with your phone, it's still a great accessory. So if you are interested in one, the link will be in the description, and you can get 10% off with the code amayajadeart. So this new crow piece is going to be the biggest stained glass piece that I've made so far, and I think it's going to turn out super nice, I hope. I can give you a little spoiler that marbled purple glass that you saw has been a little bit difficult. I haven't really worked with glass with that kind of texture, so when I started the glass cutting, a lot went wrong. I had to recut a number of pieces and redo the same piece multiple times because the glass just would not break where I wanted it to. But you will see all of that in my next video, and I'll go over how I fixed those issues. But for now, this is all for this piece. Here's another sneak peek at a piece that I've been working on. This is kind of part of a series based off of poisonous plants. I made an art print a long time ago called Deadly Flora that I am kind of drawing inspiration from. The first one was the belladonna piece that I have a whole video on if you'd like to see the process of that one. This one is inspired by Decentra, also called Bleeding Hearts. It's being copper foiled right now, so it will be done soon. I decided to finally use my glass scraps. You might have seen this video on TikTok or on Shorts, but I am making little star sun catchers. I made the pattern small enough so that it would be easy for me to find scraps that fit each individual piece. Also, I get a lot of questions on how I make my patterns, so I use removable vinyl and cut them out with a Cricut machine. And I do have a full video showing exactly how I do it, so I'll have that linked here. But that is all from me for this video. Enjoy the rest of the process of these little sun catchers. Also, they've already all sold before I was able to get this video up, but thank you to everyone that placed an order, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.